Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to enable or disable chart data table in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then open your Excel spreadsheet. Now you can see here are my sheet with a table. Now I enable or disable chart data in this table. Select this chart, then you can see our chart design option. Now click this add chart element drop down menu, just click it. Now you can see here are data tables options. Now you can see here are wind legends keys, no legends keys. Now I choose this wind legend with legend key, press it. Now you can see I enable chart data table. Now I disable this chart data table. Select this chart, then you can see here are chart design option. Now again click this chart add chart element drop down menu. Now you can see here are data table option, then press none. Now you can see I enable or disable chart data table in Microsoft Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for